How do you make $15,000 monthly by copy and paste YouTube Shorts? How do you making money upload YouTube Shorts? So copy and paste, okay? So if you want to copy and paste YouTube Shorts, that would be the best way to make it $15 monthly by just doing this. So for example, let's look over this channel here. They're making 293,000 to 4,000,000.7 monthly. So they make 3.5 million to 56.4 million yearly. So how do you do that? How do you choose and copy and paste YouTube Shorts and make your channel to be viral and make $15,000 daily? So to do so, let's go to YouTube and type this thing right here, okay? This channel. It is at A plus, and he already making that kind of money, and we're gonna see how we can get some viral videos. So I'm gonna show you those ways that you can use to make that kind of money. 15,000 monthly, okay? Copy and paste YouTube Shorts. So now let's go to YouTube, type Justin Plume. Justin Plume. First of all, we can go pound or hashtag shorts. Okay, hashtag shorts to go viral, and viral. Type shorts, viral videos, okay? And then you click on it. It's gonna bring you to here. So the most viral video that you can ever find. So you can copy and paste them to make money. This one have 3.35 million, okay? And this one have 45 million view. This one has 60 million view, okay? So there is the second way, as I already went. It's called Justin Plume. Justin Plume. I mean Bloom. BFL. Flume. Justin Flume. Okay. So enter. It's gonna bring you to his channel. So we're gonna click on it right here. Justin Flume. Okay. That's his channel right here. So I'm gonna minimize the sound, lower it down. So we're gonna look for viral video shots. So we're gonna come here, shots, and then we're gonna look over his shots, the most viral shots you could ever find. Like this one has 1.2 million shots. Okay, and we're gonna take that one here. Let's just copy it. We're gonna copy and paste. Copy. Control plus C, and then we're gonna go to a website called YouTube. We're gonna type on google.com YouTube converter, okay? YouTube MP3 MP4 converter, and then you're gonna click on this. So YouTube MP3 download converter, and then you're gonna click on this one right here, and then it's gonna bring you to this page. So you're gonna say Control plus V now, Control plus V. So and then get start. So now, so you're gonna say download. Okay, so the video is downloading over here, okay? So it's already downloaded. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pause this. I don't want too much noise, and I have it downloaded. So I'm gonna go to the next steps called Canva, okay? we're gonna come to a website called Canva right here. You're gonna type canva.com, and then you're gonna create your username and password, and then it's gonna bring you to this page right here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to one of these. We're gonna go to here, customize, and we're gonna say to get a video and that side, we're gonna say a 10 by 20. Could be a square, but 10 by 10, 14 by 1020. I think I can put 1080. Okay, 1080. Actually, it's 1920 by 1080. Okay, 1920 by 1080. Let's see what is gonna bring us. 1920 by 1080. Let's see. Oh, it's not good. It's not this one we need. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna customize again. We're gonna say, let's go to this one, 10 by, okay, that's the right one. 10 by 10, 10 by 10 first, and then 1920. So it's giving this one. So 10 by 10 up here, and 20 will be this one. So it's going square or a rectangle vertically. So now what we do, we're gonna go for that video we uploaded. Okay, we downloaded. So I'm gonna go to that video, and then I'm gonna go for it. How we go for it? So we're gonna click on here, download file, uploading file, and we're gonna go to download here, and then we're gonna click on it right here. So now it's getting through our software, which is Canva, and we're gonna go to this right here. So I'm bringing it over here. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna customize the video and make it yours, because you know when you copy that video, it's not for you, and we're gonna make it our own. So to make it yours, you have to do something here. Okay, I'm gonna make it mine. Okay, play. So it's still loading here. I cannot do anything else until it's finished. I wanna make sure it's finished first before I go to the next items. Alright, let's pause it. We don't make too much noise so you could understand. So now it's finished. You see it's finished. So we're gonna go to text. Okay, before we say text, I'm gonna customize the video and give it some let's go to elements here, and we're gonna go to this square. We're gonna add this square up there. Okay, I'm gonna just put it here, and I'm gonna do another square, and I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, we're gonna change the color as we on. So before let's change the color. I think this, we see how they close these. We're gonna put the close like color, and I can put it this one down here. Maybe I will put it yellow. Alright, so now we're gonna go to text. We're gonna put a text. Let's see, this video is just I would say the most viral, I would say the fantastic beat up man. I would put the fantastic a fantastic beat up. That's it. Beat up. Beats up, a fantastic bit up. So, and I can change the color on this. I will put it just green. So I will put another text. I'm gonna take it down here and I'm gonna type count 1 to 10, count 1 to 10, the way you see it. One to 10, how sees it, how HW, okay. How see it. Okay, so this is how it look like if you would like to do so. Okay, so now I can bring this closer. Okay, so I can make sure it's exactly where that I wanna see. Okay, so I can bring this down. No, not this one. I can bring this down, as you could see, and then I can change these to red or maybe purple. Okay, so now this video have your own taste. So if it has your own taste, we can go ahead now, and if you want to add one emoji to it, you can go ahead and go to element and look for an emoji. I can add an emoji out there if you want. If you don't want, if you want to put something else, maybe you can, but I'm just doing so. Now I can go ahead and download this video because you put your own taste to it. Okay, when you download, remember to always go to MP4 down the line to make sure you have the right thing. So now it is your video. So you come now to your channel, go back to your channel, and then I'm going to upload it. Okay, just follow with me. Switch this video now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna download these shots, uploads. Actually, it's almost there, not finished. I cannot go and do that without verify if it's finished. It's still not finished. When it's finished, I'm going to grab it and take it to that website, which is that YouTube channel that I have, and I can go ahead and upload it there. So that's all you have to do to get viral on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get viral and make good money, you come here, you click uploads, and then you go back to this to see if it download. If it not, you still have to wait for it. Oh, as I'm gonna wait for it, it's gonna take some times, and that's all you have to do. Okay, to go to make $1,500 daily. I mean monthly, by just copy and paste YouTube Shorts. So now, one thing I want you to catch: go down the descriptions and follow the rest. So make sure you follow all the way down the descriptions to get anything that you need to continue go viral on YouTube and continue your business, and make sure you get some good money to take care of yourself. So bye bye. Actually, sorry, it just finished download. I'm sorry if I've been continuing. So now we're going to get it right here, download, select files, and then it's right here, Fantastic Beta. Click on it, and then it's over here by this side. So I'm gonna put Fantastic Beta the way it is. Fantastic Beta, and then Shorts. And then copy and paste, copy and paste, and go to day and change the date and make sure everything is in place. Okay, all automatic places, all automatic chapter, key moments, all automatic concepts, they all been in. Film animation, next, and then next. As you could see, so it's finished. So almost there. So done. Thank you. Bye bye.